Hey my dolls, so it's your girl A here coming at you guys today with a collaboration with RaShon. She and I we teamed up last year to do the same collaboration. So we want to give you guys something different. Instead of a synthetic wig, we decided to give you guys human hair drip, okay, on an affordable budget. Now I know that sometimes when we review the human hair units, they may not be affordable to you guys, but I figured we would bring you guys something that's affordable, obtainable, and you can definitely find it at your local beauty supply store. I'm not sure what unit she got me, because let me go ahead and pull out the box. I'm not sure what unit she got me, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box, and then we gonna see what's in here. Okay, so just give me one moment. So I hope you guys had a very great holiday. I know me and my kids did. Like, I can't complain. Alrighty, so let's see here what we got here. What we got. Now, me and Kai, we have similar tastes, so we kind of trust each other to pick out, you know, for her to pick out a unit for me and for me to pick out a unit for her. We kind of trust each other on that. And so, you know, we ain't going to, pick nothing too crazy. So, let me see what we got here. Alright, so we got a Bobbi Boss unit. So, she got me the Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace Wig, 100% unprocessed human hair wig, and the style Alanis. And Alanis is going to be in a natural color. She comes with a pre-plucked hairline, adjustable elastic strap, baby hairs, and she's going to give you comfy flex fit cap. Here's what she is looking like. I like the box. Look, the box is nice. Okay, Kai. Okay. Hold on. Let me get this on out. Got Alanis out of the packaging. So let me show you what she is looking like. Oh, look at those wave. Oh my goodness. I love a good deep wave texture, and Kai knows that. So Kai, thank you. So let me show you the cap construction. So let me turn it inside out. Now it says it has an adjustable elastic band. I do not see that, but it does come with the elastic straps here. This one with the elastic straps. You are going to get 3 combs. You get 2 combs right here, a comb in the back, and then you are going to get a 13x6 frontal. And here is what your frontal is looking like. It is a true frontal. Thank you. And dolls, I think these knots are already bleached, because look at the netting. It looks like it's already bleached. Hold on, let me turn this inside out. Yeah, I think this is pre-bleached. Bobbi Boss, y'all bleached this already for me. I think they Bobbi Boss. Okay, Bobbi Boss. Let me just say this. If y'all out here bleaching the knots for us already, thank you, because some of us don't know how to do so. Dolls, I believe this unit is under $100, so of course I will leave all the purchase links down below in the description box. So let me go ahead and try her on my head, see what she is working with. If you're interested in this unit, this is going to be my Hot Beauty Hair Curly 8-inch bob. Of course, I will leave that card right above, so you guys can definitely check out that review. Now, while I am going to be sitting here styling up this wig, I will be taking a sip. Now, Kai normally sips on Friday. I sip every day because these children in this house be working the system nerves. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open, see what we working with. Now this is Stella Rose Imperial, and this is their Moscato Rosé. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Ooh. Lord, Stella Rose know how to give a good drink. Oh yeah. All right, so just give me one moment. Let me go ahead and throw on Miss Alanis, and I will give y'all a good review. Okay. Miss Alanis on my head. Let me go ahead and show you the parting space, what we are working with here. Yeah, I think these knots are pre-bleached, y'all. Bobbi boss come through for the girl. Like, I ain't gonna have to bleach a doggone thing with this one. And like I said, it's a true 13x6 frontal. So you can pot her anywhere you see on this frontal, okay? Like, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh. Bobbi, boss, and your parting goes all the way back here. Like, this is where the frontal stops. So, like, I have a lot of parting space here. Like, do y'all see all that parting space? Hold on. Do y'all see this? Like, the knots are pre-bleached. Bobbi, boss, come through for the girl. So, y'all already know what I'm about to do. Y'all already know I'm going to put her in the right part. I'm going to go ahead and slick her down with my Style Factor Edge Booster. Just to, you know, slick it down, make it look all nice and cute. And then I'm going to use my Bella Curls Curl Refreshing Mist and spray these curls on down. Because do y'all see this hair? Like, this hair is gorgeous. She's probably about the only one who I will let choose my units for me. Everybody else, I don't know. So just give me one moment. Let me go ahead, get to styling her, and then we're going to be right back. Hold on. I'm very surprised. Cheers to you, honey, for this one, because this one is a bomb, okay? Oh. All right. Dolls. Let me introduce you to this one again, because I don't think I gave her a proper introduction. This is Bobbi Boss's Glueless 100% unprocessed human hair wig, Alanis. This is going to be one of those units that you are going to want to pick up. Have her in your arsenal, because she is serving like money, okay? Like, she looks like some money, okay? And that's why Mary had a little lamb. Dolls. All right, let me stop acting silly. So let me give you the specs once again. So this is going to be a 13x6 hand-tied frontal. She's going to give you a custom pre-plucked hairline. You are going to get baby hairs, an elastic band, which does help, you know, wear her glueless. And then she's going to come with a, she's going to be on a comfy flex fit cap. Now, this is 100% unprocessed, so you can bleach it, dye it, perm it, do whatever you need to do with her, you know, once you're styling her. And dolls, I must say, I'm very, very impressed. Like, I don't have any complaints about this one. The density is perfect. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. It's a very, very nice natural density. She's going to have very minimum shedding, no tingling. The texture is really, really nice and soft. And let me get up close so you guys can see this texture. I am loving the curl pattern for this unit. It's very, very nice. Dolls, as you guys can see, I didn't do too much styling to it. Like, this was very effortless in styling. So if you're not a style guru, you can still style this up and she'll still look fabulous on you. Now, they say this is a glueless unit. So yes, I am wearing her gluelessly. So I don't have any adhesive or anything on her. And so let me show you guys. Look at that. Look, do y'all see that? She is glueless, y'all. Like, I don't have any adhesive or whatsoever on her. I just glued down some baby hairs over here. Well, not glued down. I just took some gel, glued down some, gelled down some baby hairs over here, and that was really about it. I used my curl refreshing mist spray just to give the curls a little bit more shine to them, and that was it. Dolls, I didn't really do too much with this one. Like I said, it's very effortless. Dolls, this one is under $100. That's right, under $100, and she is looking like she is some money. Okay, like get into it. Dolls, if you're interested, y'all better click on that purchase link down below in the description box, because I guarantee you, once folks catch on, she will sell out, and you're gonna be mad because it's gonna take them a while to restock. So description box is gonna be your best friend for that purchase link. Okay, if you're from Kai's channel, thank you so much for watching. My dolls here, y'all already know how we do it. Let's kiki it up in the comments. Let me know what you think about this unit on me. Did Kai give me a perfect match? Let me know. Comment down below. Definitely head on over to Kai's channel if you have not already. Check out what I chose for her. And of course, dolls, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys definitely follow me into the new year. I'm gonna definitely switch some things up for you. So dolls, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Let's kiki it up in the comments, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.